everyone. So today I am going to teach you on how to use the Excel to tabulate the survey results. So let us start. So type first the respondents, and then how many questions do you have in your survey questionnaire? So for example, you have question 1 to question 3. So it is up to your survey on how many questions do you have. So if you have question 1 to 10, then type it 1 to 10. So for the benefits of this video lesson, so let's have, for example, I have 5 respondents. Then move this cursor so that we will have 5 respondents. Okay? So for example, the answer of respondent 1 is strongly agree. Then this is agree. Then this is disagree, and then this is neither. This is agree. Okay. Then let me copy this. Then I'm going to change the answer here. For example, this is agree, and this is neither. Okay. Then let's copy again. So let me go back. The answer of strongly agree. And for example, this is strongly disagree. Okay. So after typing here the answer of the respondents, so copy this Excel and then paste it with your sheet 2. Okay. Now replace all the answer of your respondents into value. So what are you going to do is click the replace and then type here on the find one strongly agree. Then replace it with 5. Then look what will happen. Okay. And then for the agree, so the value is 4. Then for neither, the value is 3. Okay. Then for disagree, which is 2. Then strongly disagree, which is 1. Okay. Oops, what happened here? Strongly disagree. Okay, strongly disagree. This one. Replace all. Okay. Then after changing the value, here is, let me type again your um, category, which is strongly agree, neither, disagree, and strongly disagree. Okay. Now let us calculate how many respondents answered strongly agree in question 1. Okay, so let's have a formula which is equal column if, and then select the cell. So from B5 to respondents 5, and then what is the value for strongly agree, which is 5. Then close parenthesis, then enter, press enter with your keyboard. So how many respondents answered strongly agree, which is 1 only. Then let's copy the formula here. But first, let us have here a dollar sign. so that it will not be change the cell. So let's stretch here and then change the value into 4. Okay, and then 3. So for the disagree, which is 2, and this is 1. Okay, so how many respondents answered strongly agree in question 1? So we have 1. How many respondents answered agree in question 1? We have 2. Okay, 1, 2. Then how many respondents answered neither in question 1? So we have 1. And then how many respondents answered disagree in question 1? So there is no one answered disagree. Then how many respondents answered strongly disagree in question 1? So we have 1. So let's say you change the answered respondents 5 into 5. As you can see, the value of how many respondents did answer uh, strongly agree will change. Okay, so it changed into 2. So we have 2 respondents answered strongly agree. Now, how we will put percentage here? Okay, so let me copy again the category. Okay, oops. Okay. So let's have here percentage for 2 respondents answered strongly agree. So for this, let us have equal and then select the cell and then divide how many respondents answered on your survey. So we have 5 and then close parenthesis, then press enter. Then in order for you to have percentage here, so on your menu or on your standard toolbar, click the percentage and then as you can see, change into 40%. Then stretch the cell into strongly agree, then it will change it into how many respondents percentage answered strongly agree, then agree, neither, disagree, and strongly agree. So it's very easy for you to use the Excel in order for you to tabulate the survey results and to have a percentage in your Excel. Now, let's have chart here. So click insert, then let's have here a pie chart. Okay, so a 3D pie chart. So since we choose the Excel on the percentage automatic, you will have a chart for your survey results. So I hope you learned something new on my video lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you and God bless.